Let's prepare this captivating lotus flower animation in the PowerPoint. To start with, let's create a petal. Insert a round shape, adjust its height and width to 2.5, duplicate the shape. Now adjust the shape so that they partially overlap. Select both the shapes, go to merge shape and select intersect. Now we got a petal. Now right click on the petal, go to format shape, go to line and click on no outline. Click on the gradient fill, set to gradient stops, go to direction and click on linear diagonal top left to bottom right. Change the color to pink for the two gradient stops. Adjust the transparency of the first gradient stop to 0% and second gradient stop to 100%. Duplicate the petal 4 more times and place it like this. Click on fourth petal, go to size and properties, adjust the rotation to 30 degree. Set the rotation of the fifth petal to 60 degree, second petal to minus 30 degree and first petal to minus 60 degree. Once all the petals are oriented, assemble it together. Insert a small circle below the central petal. Align the bottom of other petals with this circle one by one. Arrange it in the form of a flower. Now insert an oval shape below the flower and flatten it as much as possible. Go to gradient fill, choose green color for the first gradient fill with 0% transparency and black color for the second gradient stop with 100% transparency. Draw a text box, type 01, give an appropriate font size, font color, make it bold. Now add a title, duplicate 4 more times, adjust it like this and change the numbers. Now duplicate the slide 2 more times by pressing Ctrl D. Go to first slide, remove all the text, zoom out the slide and drag the green shape to the bottom of the slide. Select all the petals together, adjust the angle of the petals to 0 degree, go to align and select align center and align middle. Drag the petal to the bottom of the slide. Go to second slide. Now place the text to outside of the slide with first and second to left, third to top, fourth and fifth to right side. Press Ctrl A to select all the slides, go to transition and select morph. Click on the slideshow to see the results. You will observe eye-catching and elegant blooming effect lotus flower animation. Hope you enjoy watching the video. Do share the content ahead and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.